Alright guys, so this is going to be the burn off or seasoning or whatever you want to call it of my Traeger 575. If you're interested in one of these, I will have a link down below to Amazon. If you have an Amazon card, they'll do monthly payments, 0% interest if you're interested in that. So what we're going to do first is we're going to hold this guy in. Oh, no. What we're going to do first is we're going to turn this unit on. Then we're going to hold this in. So this is my first smoker ever, regardless of if it's a Traeger or not. So we want to hit menu and we want to go to auger. And we want to prime the auger. Now, I want to make sure that it's actually spinning, which it is. We're going to go ahead and use this hickory Traeger. Again, got it off Amazon. You can check out the link below if you'd like. And we're just going to fill this bad boy up. Alright, so as you can see, I got some pellets down in there now. You might have to hit prime more than once because since it was completely empty. Also, I showed you guys, hey, make sure it's turning first. So I just hit the done button on there and it just shut it off. You just press the dial. So let's go ahead and get her fired up. Alright, so I saw a guy online said that you should do it at 250 for 20 minutes to help the paint cure, which makes sense to me. So we're going to go ahead and hit ignite. I don't know if you guys can hear the turbojet, but I'm gonna wait till I see a fire and I'm gonna put all the stuff in here. All right guys, so you can see it finally lit down in there. I'm gonna put the cover on, put it all back together, and we're gonna put it in here for 20 minutes at 250. All right, now we're gonna turn it up to 350 for another 20 minutes. All right, now we're gonna go to our last bump up here and we're gonna put her at 450 for 30 minutes. All right, now we're gonna do the shutdown process and it's gonna go through its 25-minute cycle and she should be good to go after that. All right guys, so that's it. If this video helped you, I hope it did. I hope you enjoy your Traeger. Check out the links down below if you want to see any of the stuff that I have talked about today. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.